Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate the luminosity alarm on your AviTrac. And for that we have to turn on the AviTrac, so we have to press for about 5 seconds on the rotary knob till we see our screen turn on. Once it's turned on, we have to press a second time on the rotary knob in order to be on the general menu. Here we can see that our daylight wake up is disabled and we want to make it enable, and for that we have to go to the menu daylight wake up. So we have to turn slightly up to the right the rotary knob to go through all the menus till we are on the daylight wake up menu. To go into that menu we have to press one time on the rotary knob. To activate it we have to turn slightly to the right the rotary knob till we see the word enable on the screen. To select this option we have to press one time on the rotary knob and also a second time to confirm our choice. Now the luminosity alarm is activated. Now to turn off your AviTrac you have two options. The first one would be to wait for about 90 seconds till it turns off by himself, or you can do it by yourself by going back to the general menu, and for that you have to turn slightly to the left to go to all the menus backwards. And once you are on the general menu you have to press for about 5 seconds on the rotary knob and the AviTrac will turn off. Thank you very much.